45 kgs rice, keep that on the platform, and then see the balance of the lever, balance of the lever that moves up and down. By removing and adding the rice to the bag, bring this lever to the standstill condition in the place left for oscillation of the lever. When this is come to the exactly horizontal position, that indicates the weight of the rice that is in the bag. So this is the platform scale, which is placed on the another lever, that lever is hinged at one point and placed on the lever on the another lever is pivoted at another point, and it is continuous and which is fixed to the tension bar. This tension bar is placed on the trapezoidal knife edge. Remember, trapezoidal knife edge. Both the ends you have trapezoidal knife edge. This is the tension bar, that you can say the tension bar. Due to the tension only, that is the weight of the rice which exerts the force on the platform. That force is transferred to this lever and this lever. Due to the force exerted on this lever, due to that the tension bar which is pulled in the downward direction. In the meantime, you have placed the dead weight on the lever on the hook provided in the piece weight. When the weight, for example, the weight of the rice in the bag is 45 kgs. Here you have kept 20 into 1, 10 into 2 dead weights, and this the counter piece weight at exactly at the fifth position. WP at the exactly at the fifth position. That indicates the 45 kgs of rice present in the bag. 45 kgs of rice present in the bag. So that is the principle of operation of the multiple lever system or platform scale. All of you observe here, listen here. The almost all the question paper, you have a question on multiple lever system. This time you can expect this question in the examination for 10 marks. First, all of you write down the question. Explain briefly with neat sketch. Explain briefly with neat sketch the or platform scale or multiple lever system. Put a question mark. Continue the question. List the advantages and limitations. List the advantages and limitation. Continue the question. Derive an expression for force measurement. Derive an expression for force measurement using platform scale. I repeat the question. Explain briefly with neat sketch multiple lever system or platform scale. Put a question mark. Continue the question. List the applications and limitations. Put a question mark. Again put a question mark. Continue the question. Derive an expression for force measurement. Derive an expression for force measurement. Once again, the principle of operation of multiple lever system or platform scale. So all of you seen this type of weighing machine in the wholesale grocery shop or wholesale mandi or wholesale vegetable market. They use the platform scale for measurement of large masses. Large masses, maybe more than 50 kg or more than 100 kgs or more than 500 kgs. So this is the platform scale used for large weights, measurement of large masses. So this is also a force measurement. What are the things present in the multiple lever system? One by one, from the starting from left side. Say this is the beam. This is the beam. Here the beam balance or symmetry is very important. Here there will be a lever and there will be a place in that this beam oscillates up and down like this, oscillates up and down. Then it is come to exactly in the center of the oscillation place. Oscillation place, that is the exact weight. So what all the things present here? There will be a adjustable counterpoise before starting the measurement. Bring the poise weight and the lever to read null balance. To read null balance. This lever or clamp or the weight, this can be moved forward direction according to the weight of the bag which is placed on the platform. For example, if you want to measure 45 kgs of rice, 46 kgs of rice, imagine 46 kgs of rice. So the bag, you have a empty bag, fill the bag with the 46 kgs of rice. You don't know the weight of the rice and keep that rice on the platform of the platform scale and then release the lever provided here. This lever or beam moves up and down. If the beam in the bottom position, that indicates the weight of the rice in the bag is more than 46 kg. Then the lever moves upward direction, then the weight of the rice is less than 46 kg. That indicates before measuring the rice weight, here you have to keep that dead weights. So along with the platform scale, the manufacturer provide you the dead weights of 10 kgs into 2, 20 kgs into 2, 50 kgs into 1, 100 kgs poise weight. So you have to keep the weights in the lever or the hook provided here. That is called WS. Place the hole provided or the slot provided in the dead weights. Place it on the hook provided, which is hinged at the one end of the lever, one end of the beam. Then for this measurement, you need to weigh 46 kgs of rice. For that reason, you place the 20 kgs into 2 or 20 into 1, 10 into 2 poise weights on the hook provided here, and there will be a counterpoise that can be moved forward direction. Place the counterpoise exactly at the 6 kgs here. All of you observe here. There will be a sharp edge that you can move this and place it on the 6th graduation. So here it is 20 into 1, 10 into 2, 40. Here the 6th division, that is 6 kgs. And the weight of the rice here is 46 kgs. Then the beam oscillates up and down and come to the center position. If it is less weight, moves upward direction. If it is weight is more, then come to the downward direction. This is the principle of operation of the multiple lever system or platform scale. Then what all the mechanism present here, all of you observe here. You have placed the bag containing the rice on the platform W, which exerts the force on the lever provided in the bottom, which is hinged at one position and which is placed on the another lever. So another lever which is hinged at one point and which is connected to the tension bar T, which is hinged at the top position of the beam, top position of the beam, and the bottom it is hinged at the lever. So here lot of levers are provided here. For that reason, this is called multiple lever system. So due to the application of the load or the force coming from the weight of the rice coming from the rice bag, that is directly transferred to this lever, from this lever to the bottom lever. Again, due to that force, this tension bar is pulled downward direction. Due to that, the beam oscillates up and down. When the weight of the rice and the weight of the pan weight, poise weight, we both are at the same position, then the beam come to the zero position. This is the principle of operation of multiple lever system. All of you mark it very, very important. This time you can expect this question in the examination. Expect this question in the examination. This is very, very important. So once again, what are the things present in the multiple lever system? Say you have a beam. See, all of you observe here. All of you see this is the poise weight. WP is the poise weight, and in the back side you have a adjustable counterpoise. From this, make the balance to read zero. Make the balance to zero or null balance. Then this beam hinged at point O, hinged at point O, and the backside of the beam which is hinged by using trapezoidal knife edge at point P. Trapezoidal knife edge point P, and the application of the load on the platform, there will be a tension T on the tension bar. Tension T on the tension bar. And what all the things you have to measure using multiple lever system is the distance between the hinged point of the beam of the multiple lever system is A. Is A. And next, from the distance between the trapezoidal knife edge point to the hinged point PO, that is called B. That is called B. And the tension on the tension bar is a T, uppercase letter T. And the weight of the unknown magnitude which is exerted on the platform W. Say you have a doubt in your mind. Say you have a platform, the width and length of the platform is 1.5 feet by 2 feet, 1.5 feet by 2 feet, or 2 feet by 3 feet, or sometimes 2.5 feet by 4 feet. Say if the weight of the bag, if you keep anywhere on the platform, remember, if you keep the bag anywhere on the platform, that makes no difference in the weight. That makes no difference in the measurement. That is the advantage of using platform scale. You can keep the weight here, which shows to W1, or you can keep the unknown magnitude here, that shows W2, or anywhere on the platform. Anywhere. The length and breadth of the platform is 2 by 3 feet, 2 by 3 feet. That is the 2 feet width and 3 feet length. You can keep the weight, unknown magnitude anywhere on the platform. You have the exact measurement. You have the exact measurement. That is W1, W2. That is W1 plus W2 divided by 2. For that's the advantage of platform scale is you can keep the unknown magnitude anywhere on. Hello. You have accurate measurement. That is the advantage of using platform scale. So all of you mark it. This is very, very important. You can expect this question in the examination. Next, come to the point. This is the derivation. That is the force measurement. That is P into P, WS into A. That is nothing but the load into perpendicular direction. See, according to the force definition, that is the load into perpendicular direction. That is the T tension and the perpendicular distance is B. In the same way, load is WS into perpendicular distance A. In the same way, here you have a small derivation for force measurement. Then T into C, H into W1 plus W2 equal to HW. Next, in the same way, you can measure the unknown magnitude by using the distance A divided by B, C divided by H into WS equal to RWS. That is nothing but the scale multiplication ratio. The scale multiplication ratio. So from this equation, you can measure the unknown magnitude or unknown weight of the grocery or unknown weight of the vegetable. This is very, very important, the examination point of view. So now I stopped at this stage and I will continue in the next class. And now I make unmute to all. Ganesh, can you listen?
Yes, sir.
Next class, please ask them all your friends to bring notebook and a pen.
Yes, sir.
I will give you the important questions for the test.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll stop this stage and I will continue in the next class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.